from Fort Wilderness. Hold on, there's like water. We survived our first night in the wilderness. It was a little chilly, but honestly, like, I'm a hot sleeper. Once I was like asleep, I like woke up sweating, so survived. We're setting up to cook breakfast. Chris is doing eggs. We got coffee. We bought this like pre-made like coffee stuff. And yeah, we're getting ready.
It's one of like the only 2 brands you can ever buy that's pre-made.
Apparently. So we're going to eat breakfast and we're gonna take the bikes and I guess go bike to take the the
boat
water taxi thing to Magic Kingdom. I'm baking cookies. Ooh, it's so warm too. I got my bagel. I toasted it on the grills. It's got like grill lines like a steak. And then we got bacon, and then Chris is about to do the eggs. Got some cream cheese for my bagel. Chris is gonna make his like a Sammy, but it's getting good. It's getting warmer out now. The sun's actually like coming up. Each campsite has like a big, it's like a gravelly little bed. There is a hose over here, and that's where all the like outlets and everything are. And then there is a charcoal grill if you know, bring charcoal and do all that. We like locked our bikes to it. And then a picnic bench at each campsite, and they're pretty private. There are people next to us. They like left their like things in their truck. But I mean, it's like you're not super close and there's still trees. And then there's another campsite on that side, but there's nobody there. And then we back up, the RVs are like on the other side. There's like a little street, question mark, but like RV camps are over there. And then the bathrooms, you just like walk like behind here and they're like right there. Okay, my face is so red, it's cold. We are biking. Chris is in the bathroom. Got my mask. We are going to go bike. It's chilly, but the mask honestly comes in clutch for this. We got stopped by turkeys that are crossing the road.
Those are all beards, you know that? They're all bearded.
Dang. Random. Hey, Mr. Turkey. Wow, maybe 7. I got one hand. Gotta go down to the water somewhere, I don't know. Trying to find where lock up the bikes. Oh my god, I cannot do this with one hand. Hold. Alright, bikes are locked up. I think we're gonna run to the trading post real quick because I want to get a magnet from here. And then we're going to hop on the boats and go over to Magic Kingdom. Super nice down here. There's like a huge playground. We're exploring more. That's golf cart parking. But the bike, how long did you think that took us to bike here?
4 minutes.
Yeah, it was not far. Like, it was really easy. Probably faster than doing the bus.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, faster than the bus. So.
They're closed right now.
Oh no, they're closed. Never mind. Psych, we will not be going here. Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin first.
Staff detecting more trouble in Sector 9. That's the work of that nefarious team of the sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance, the evil Emperor Zurg. Disengage.
Wait! What are you shooting? What are you shooting? No! What is this? Stop! can't. Okay, I can't film. I can't film. I gotta be serious. I gotta be serious. I'll pick back up in a moment. Okay, we're not gonna talk about these scores because we're cheated. So we're not gonna look at that. Wait, what are you? I'm not even anything good. All right, we're going on Space Mountain, which is my favorite ride in this park. It's very dark though, so I'm not gonna film it. But that's what we're doing. All right, Space Mountain is definitely the best ride. We're gonna do the Tomorrowland Speedway, which I never do, but everything's such a short wait. It's like, now's the time to do it. Plus I want to see all the Tron construction. You kind of have to get on this to see it, so exciting. Woo! Doing it, Christopher! Wow! Oh my god! But it's really cold, so I don't know about that.
Let's do it.
We're on just 7 horse mine train. It's really the only ride with like a legit wait today, so might as well do it since we pretty much done everything else. And it's only like pretty cool. Going! They rock so much in the back. Swing it, swing it, swing it. Goodbye, castle. It's like the first time I'm leaving in the daytime. Normally we're here till it's like dark.
We've done everything.
I know, we've literally done everything here.
With no lines.
Yeah. It's been a
Tomorrow's
good day.
gonna be the same way.
I hope. I doubt.
You wanna
I
go
hope.
fishing? That's a lot of moolah.
Alright, we're back. We're moving and grooving. We're trying to find the trading post. I don't know if it's still open, but I want to get my magnet. We just got back. Oh, not just got back. Kind of just got back from biking. We went and kind of biked around like the loop and just kind of went to explore a little bit on the bikes. I'm sitting in the tent now. I got our little heater on because it's chilly. We brought like some drinks and stuff, so I think we might get a few drinks and then maybe go ride back down to the water because there's like an electric, it's got a name, water thing. We might bike back down there, bike back down there in a little bit, and go see that. Very productive day. Literally, we rode everything so fast. I think the longest wait was for the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, which normally I won't even ride on a trip when we come because like at least an hour wait, and I'm like, I'm not waiting an hour for that. But it said it was like a 45-minute wait, and we got, and I was like, 45 minutes. I don't even think it's gonna be that. And we literally waited like 25 minutes for it. So awesome. We pretty much showed everything else. We didn't do Splash Mountain because it's too cold. Chris is back. And Pirates was closed all day. But we did everything else we wanted to do. Space Mountain was literally a walk on. We walked on it twice. Great day. Solid. It's really dark so you can't see, and there's other people down here. We brought the growler full and brought cups.
And the backpack.
In the backpack. Oh my gosh. Now we're waiting for it to stop. Whew. That was a workout. We biked fast. Good pedaling.